You may not be surprised to learn that water covers the majority of our planet as we have been taught since we were in school. Today we will not discuss 4 seas but only one, and you will be surprised by its vastness. Welcome back to the Fact Hub videos.
By the way, all the continents are surrounded by a single ocean, but for the sake of convenience, we have given them different names. There are 4 distinct zones to this area: the Pacific, Arctic, Indian, and the Atlantic Oceans. We will exclusively discuss the Pacific Ocean throughout this video. The Pacific Ocean is large enough that if you drill a hole under the water, between Peru and Chile, cross the hole, and come out on the opposite side of the earth, you will realize and even be surprised that you will come out of the Pacific Ocean near Vietnam and Taiwan. The term antipode refers to a location that is completely opposite from every other location on Earth. Due to its size, the Pacific Ocean has several of its own antipodes. But the scope of it doesn't even begin here. The entire circumference of our planet is 40,000 kilometers.
If a plane takes off from one location and travels 40,000 kilometers, that it will return to the same location from where it took off. The Pacific Ocean is divided into several areas with a total distance between them equal to half of the globe's diameter. Yes, this approximately 20,000 kilometer stretch connects Indonesia and Colombia. This is about 20,000 kilometers long and is regarded as the longest part of the Pacific Ocean. I was also amazed to hear while doing research that our full moon may accommodate not just one, but 5 full moons from the line in this region of the Pacific Ocean between Indonesia and Colombia. Even then, there will be plenty of empty space. The Pacific Ocean is so large that we are unable to view it all at once, which gives you an idea of its size. It is impossible to determine the extent of the Pacific Ocean from a plane because our eyes are focused on the curving horizon of the Earth, which limits our ability to see very far.
This explains why, while gazing far into the sea, it appears as though the sky and the sea have combined into one. A 6-foot-tall person can only see 5 kilometers out to sea. If you wish to see across it, you must look from a high point. We will be able to see the Pacific Ocean from a plane flying above the sea at a height as high as Mount Everest, but just 370 kilometers away, which is only as far as this line you can see. Only those on the plane were able to see this. Even from the International Space Station, which orbits 400 kilometers above the Earth, we cannot see the Pacific Ocean all at once. For a rough approximation, let's use Google Earth. The Bora Bora Island is located in the Pacific Ocean. This is the maximum height that the drone camera can see. We have now zoomed out to a distance of 10 kilometers, which is the altitude at which it can be seen when flying in a typical commercial plane.
Even if we zoom out farther to a height of the International Space Station at a distance of 400 kilometers, we still won't be able to see the entire Pacific Ocean at once. We now zoom out much more, up 10,000 times. As we approach the final zoom out position offered by Google Earth, we noted that even at a distance of 63,000 kilometers from Earth, we could still see 95% of the Pacific Ocean while only 5% of the planet itself is visible. In terms of area, the Pacific Ocean covers a total area of 16.5 million square kilometers. The entirety of North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica, and Greenland may fit into this region due to its size. The Pacific Ocean spans a total of 16.5 million square kilometers, while the total area of all land on this planet is 14 million square kilometers. Therefore, the Pacific Oceans can accommodate all of the world's mountains, deserts, and forests.
Even after that, there will be enough room for 8 countries such as India. Remember Remember that we are just discussing one of the 4 oceans, the Pacific Ocean only. Let's discuss another planet. Consider our neighboring planet Mars. Mars has a surface area of 14.8 million square kilometers. The craters and mountains on Mars would all be covered by several hundred feet of water if the Pacific Ocean water were to compete with the water on the entire planet. So far, we have talked about the level of the Pacific Ocean. It is substantially deeper as well as appearing to be much bigger from above. The Challenger Deep Trench is a site in Pacific Ocean that is the deepest one so far discovered. This lies 11 kilometers below the surface of the ocean. There are 3 more trenches in the Pacific Ocean that are deeper than 10 kilometers in addition to this, making it the deepest point in the Pacific Ocean.
They are referred to as the Tonga, Philippine and Kuril-Kamchatka trenches respectively. We have some fascinating facts about the Pacific Ocean. A European by the name of Ferdinand Magellan crossed the entire Pacific Ocean in the year 579. He gave it the name Pacific, meaning peaceful sea. Each year the Pacific Ocean gets a little bit smaller. The fundamental explanation is the undersea movement of tectonic plates. The Atlantic Ocean, on the other hand, is expanding while the Pacific Ocean gets smaller, which is a good thing.
The majority of the world earthquakes and tsunami are triggered by tectonic plates beneath the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is home to some of the world's most active volcanoes. The greatest of these volcanoes, the Haure's Seamount, is close to New Zealand, and more than 70% of all volcanoes are found in the Pacific Ocean. Among other things, the Pacific Ocean has the most islands. In the entire Pacific Ocean, there are more than 25,000 islands, thousands of which have never been explored by mankind. It could take months to locate all of these islands on Google Earth.
I am hoping you have enjoyed today's video and share it with your friends.
That's it for today.
Bye for now.